Wanna got right if you had love, nigga. A lot of shit been on my mind, ain't got no space left. My homie, bless up.
Ghost gang fam. What is up with y'all? You know, boys, today I'm coming back at y'all with another video. You dig what I'm saying? It is your boy Majorkixx, aka Major, aka Major 2 times, aka the tall guy in the LA motherfucker. You dig what I'm saying? Aka I'm back again. You feel me, man? Shout out to y'all young boys, man. Shout out to everybody that's been tuning into the channel, bro. I know it's been a few weeks, but we back again with another motherfucking pickup, you feel me? Trying to tone down on the curse. I know I cursed like about 10 times in that intro, I think. I don't know, I gotta look at it back. Setup changed a little bit. I put my desk on this side. You gotta shout out the frame. I put my desk over here. Remember I used to have it right here. I had a nice little setup, had a little desk, I used to lean on it and shit, had the shoes in the back. Yeah, not no more, man. We just out here, you know what I'm saying? We thug, we got the, you feel me? But anyways, y'all, if you are new to the channel, man, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Turn on all post notifications, you feel me? Because I got some shit coming. Look, and I'm still cussing, but still, hey, man, hey, I'm still cussing. It is what it is. But yeah, man, I got some heat coming. I got exclusive access, y'all boys. Hold on, whoa. Yeah, well, hold on. Tell me what that say, y'all boys. Hold on. Get y'all right. What that say? Hold on. What that say now? Toro. Exclusive access today, man. I got lucky today, man. I'm getting those on Tuesday, next Tuesday. I put it on 2-day shipping. You feel me? So, I mean, content about to start dropping, man. It's summertime, man. I'm gonna start getting back in the flow of things for the summer. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna turn up for the one time for y'all for the summer. You deal what I'm saying? Also, new apartment tour coming up. Top of the summer, you feel me? We about to move into a luxury apartment. Thanks to you guys, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to y'all boys for supporting me and shit, you do what I'm saying? I keep looking to the left because I got my window right here and people keep walking by my window. We're moving from out of this apartment. This is the trap. If you are new, this is a trap. You do what I'm saying? So, like I said, we got content coming. I still got my Miami spring break vlog that I didn't edit yet, but I still got the content. So that's coming for y'all too. So, I mean, I got a lot of stuff. Anyways, today is about the medium curry dunk lows that released on the 29th. I believe I got these on the 29th. I'm like 1 foot in, 1 foot out of the sneaker world. So I got a lot of stuff going on right now. I got a lot of stuff in motion. You feel me? Getting to the money, we doing a lot of stuff. So, but the medium curry, I believe, is released on the 29th in the US of March. And I think these already came out a month before in February on the 19th overseas in Europe and shit. So these came out a little late, but without further ado, man, I'm getting right into what y'all want to see. You do what I'm saying? So, ooh, y'all already know. Hello. Yeah, man. So I received these yesterday. Now let me give y'all the backstory on these, right? Let me give y'all the scoop, right? So, ooh, yeah. That's it. Yeah, sir, ski. That's it. I don't know if the lens too bright. I don't know, man. I don't know if that bit too bad, but y'all already know I'm hit y'all boys with the B-roll. Give y'all the backstory on this shit. Any shoe I get lucky on the sneakers app, bro. Yeah, the little box. You feel me? I know y'all like to see all that extra shit. Any shoe I win on the sneakers app, every off of pure luck, or I go into it with the like mentality of like, I ain't gonna get these shits anyway, so I might as well do it. So this is the same exact thing that happened with these, right? You know, all dunks get raffled off. So when these got released, when I seen it, it said enter the raffle. I entered it. I was like, no, I'm not gonna get these. Like, I knew I'm not gonna win. I never won a raffle on sneakers app. I never won a raffle. Like, I've been using sneaker app since it came out. I never won a raffle. But so let me just go ahead and put it in there, man. Let me just go ahead and enter the raffle just for the fuck of it. You feel me? And next thing you know, like 10 minutes later, you know the raffle's only like for 10 minutes. You get 10 minutes to enter, I believe. But so 10 minutes later, boom, I won that bit. Like, and then today, like for the Toros, I got exclusive access and I got those out the gate. You feel me? So I mean, I've been having a lucky. That's gonna be a good motherfucking summer. You feel me? Anyways, man, task at hand right here, man. Medium motherfucking curry. These ain't hot. These is medium hot. You feel me? Medium effing hot, bro. The colorway on these is, I think it's full. I think it's Cell, Fossil. What's the legit colors on here, bro? You got Cell / Fossil / medium curry. I say, bro, y'all gonna see in the B-roll, bro, the material on this thing is legit. Like, that's one thing I can say about like dunks and stuff and SBs. The materials are always good. You know what I'm saying? You know, on Jordans, it be kind of sketchy and shit. But on like SB's, Dunks and stuff like that, you always gonna get a good quality material on those. This suede is like, it got that nappy suede. That's the type of suede I like, bro. That nap suede. You need to comb that motherfucker. You feel me? But yeah, man, these are dope, bro. I posted these on my story. I remember I posted these on my story yesterday on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do so. Link is in the description of this video. You feel me? Underneath, go click that. Follow me on IG. But I posted these on my IG yesterday, and I said new pickups. I had hella people DMing me, damn bro, how you get those, bro? I'm like, nigga, I did the same thing you did, bro. I entered the raffle on Sneakers app, and I happened to get lucky. Like, you feel me? It's nothing you could do special on the Sneakers app, man. Like, I feel like the Sneakers app should reward people that's been like that's been on there or had it downloaded since it came out, bro. Cause I've had Sneakers app and I got a lot of sneakers off the Sneakers app. You feel me? And I feel like we should get rewarded for exclusive access. That's like, I feel like they rewarded me with the Toro Bravos. But anyways, man, so there's nothing too special with these dunks. This is my first pair of dunks in a long time, you feel me? I've been trying to win some dunks. I've been trying to get the Kentuckys last year, the Syracuse last year, and I kept failing. Like, why couldn't I win a raffle for those? Like, you feel me? Like, I tried both times, but and failed. I tried the Ugly Duckling pack, failed miserably. All those dunks that I released last year and top of this year, bro, like, I just failed, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But anyways, man, let me know if you cop these. These retailed at $110. That's another reason why I put my name in the raffle. I was like, it's just $110. Like, you feel me? Who gives a fuck? Like, it's $100. Like, you know what I mean? Dope shoe, bro. All around, bro. Dope shoe. I feel like this is a good fall/summer shoe. You can wear these. You can pull these off in the summer. You can pull these off in the summer. I like these, man. I'm gonna wear these, bro. I'm not reselling these at all. I'm definitely gonna wear these. And it's gonna be lit all summer, man. You got the Nike on the inside, on the insole. Wax laces. The laces are like, it's like a little sparkle on them. I don't know. It's not sparkle, but it's like, not wax, but it's just, I don't know, man. I don't know how to explain the laces. But anyway, let me know if you cop and drop, man. Y'all know how I do these reviews, but I know like thousands of reviews on the internet already. You know, I just had to, you know, bring my little spin, my little spice to it, man. God damn, my work phone is going off right now. You feel me? Just let me know, man. I had to touch base with y'all boys. Let y'all know I was still here, still alive, still functioning. You know what I'm saying? Still thriving through this mother effing world. But anyways, like I said, did you cop or drop? Let me know in the comment section, bro. Ghost Gang, we in this bitch. We up one. Deal what I'm saying? Make sure you like, subscribe, all that, man. Toro Bravos review is coming next week, man. Stay tuned to the channel. Miami Spring Break vlog coming up soon. I just gotta stop being lazy. But anyway, hello? Y'all already know what time it is, man. This is one of them Majorkixx.
Me and Weezy, that's the way.
Through the ice in this platinum, I did a 180, I went up the wrong way.